Hey everyone, it's Dr. Andrew. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and a certified athletic trainer, and today I'm going to help you with your back pain. Do you have back pain from sitting all day? Today I'm going to show you how to fix that. First, let's talk about the pelvis and your low back curve. So you should naturally have a small curve in your low back, and when we sit for long periods of time, that curve gets reduced and goes in the opposite direction. So there are a few things you can do to fix that, to give you some lumbar support. One is a pillow. And the other is a rolled up towel. Both of these methods, the towel and the pillow, can be used for lumbar support. Now, lumbar support alone is not going to completely cure or even get rid of all your back pain. There's some other things that you need to do to really help get rid of that low back pain that is bugging you while you're at work. So the first thing we're going to do is stretch the hamstrings. There are multiple ways to stretch the hamstrings. I'm going to show you one quick way, and then we'll do another video of how you can stretch your hamstrings different ways. But first, you can put your heel up on the chair, and now while keeping your back straight, you're going to lean forward, but from the hips. You can hold that stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then you can relax. And what you should do is do about 3 to 4 stretches on each side. So what you don't want to do is curve your back during this stretch. Because if you curve your back and you're not leaning forward from the hips, then you're not really stretching the hamstrings. You're really just making the curve in your back even worse. Another stretch you can do is called a piriformis stretch. This is going to stretch a muscle in the back side of your hip. So first, you can have a seat and put your ankle up on your knee. So while maintaining your back completely straight, you're going to lean forward, and then you will feel a stretch on the left side of your hip. Again, with any stretch, you want to hold it about 20 to 30 seconds and repeat it 3 to 4 times. And do both sides. Now, as long as you're bending forward from the hips, then you should be feeling a stretch in the hip. But if you lean forward and you curve your back, then you're not going to be feeling a stretch in the piriformis muscle. Another way to do this is to, again, cross your legs and then pull your knee up towards your opposite shoulder. Next thing I'm going to show you.
You're sitting right in front of me.
The next thing I'm going to show you is a hip flexor stretch. So what you're going to do is get down with one knee on the floor. Okay? And in this position, you want this foot to be a little bit farther forward. And now you're going to lean forward, but again from the hips, like this. And now you should be feeling a stretch right through here on that side. Very good. 20 to 30 seconds, and then relax. Go back. What you don't want to do is lean forward way too much, like this, because now you're going to have knee pain, okay? And you don't want to lean back too far, okay, because now you're going to hurt your back. So you want to keep your core tight, and you want to push your hips forward and get a stretch right through here. So now you know a few things that you can do to reduce and relieve the pain that you have in your low back while you're sitting all day at work. Lumbar support, hamstring stretch, piriformis stretch, and a hip flexor stretch. If you do these things about 4 or 5 times a day while you're at work, I guarantee you'll feel more loose, and that achy, dull pain that you have in your low back will start to go away. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you liked this video. And if you want to see more content like this, for how to be more aware of your body and how you can basically improve your overall health.